Today's tip is about safety and how you work safe during the maintenance or service on the Artis Angio system patient table. There is a safety stud which is available with each delivered Angio system, and we must use it when we want to do safe service on a system and on a table. For this purpose, we have to lift up the table maximum up until it stops. And we have to insert this stud to the design position, and it will protect us from the falling table down when we are putting our hands and making service and exchange of parts inside the table. When you're done fixing your machine table and you don't need to use this stud anymore, please do not forget to remove it. It can be done like this, and after this your down and up operation of the table is available for you again.